It tells us that Joe and Haley play the game below, and each player can choose hard, medium, or soft. So this is a three-pronged game. It says assuming there are no crazy players in the sense used in class, and that the game is played only once, which of the following is true? Well, first, what they mean there by crazy players is crazy will be defined. It's not necessarily that crazy is irrational. It just means that crazy will have a specific definition in the context of this game. We're not given the definition yet. In the next problem we are. So in the next problem we'll see exactly what crazy means. We're assuming this game is played only once and we're just going to solve it. Well, first Haley says, if Joe moves hard, I'm going to choose 0.5 over 0 and 0. If Joe moves medium, I'm going to choose 1.5 over 0 and 0. And if Joe moves soft, I'm going to choose 2.5 over 0 and 2. Well, so we see that Haley has a dominant strategy to play medium, a strongly dominant strategy to play medium. Joe does the same process and says, if Haley moves hard, I'm going to be choosing 0.5. If Haley moves medium, I'm going to choose 1.5. And if Haley moves soft, I'm going to choose 2.5. So Joe also has a strongly dominant strategy here, and we know that both players are going to play medium if this game's only played once. So the next question says, suppose Haley and Joe play this game 2 times, and there's a chance F that any given player is crazy. And now it defines what crazy means. It says a crazy player plays soft in the first round, then they play soft in the second round if their opponent played soft in the first round. If their opponent did not play soft in the first round, they play hard in the second round. So that is the definition of what a crazy player is. It's a little hard to organize your thoughts here, but you have to be real careful in defining that right. It says that the interest rate is 0 for simplicity, so we won't really have to worry about that. It says, suppose Haley is sane, and she thinks that even if Joe is sane, he will play soft in the first round, and then he'll play the one-shot Nash equilibrium in the second round. So if Joe is sane, it's defining what Joe will do. A sane player will play soft, then medium. A crazy player, again, will play soft, and then it depends on what he does in the second round. He'll play soft in the second round if you played soft, or he'll play hard in the second round if you didn't play soft in the first round. And then it says, what is the value of the reputation Haley gains as a cooperator if she also plays soft in the first round? And then she's planning to play the one-shot Nash equilibrium in the second round. Well, we know that F is the probability that a player is crazy, which means 1 minus F is the probability that a player is sane. And we're looking for the second round gains if Haley played soft in the first round. So we're only concerned with the second round gains. We're assuming that she did in fact play soft in the first round. Well, if Joe is crazy, which is F, she'll get 2.5 in the second round because she'll play medium in the second round. If Joe is crazy, well then he'll play soft again because in the first round she played soft. So she'll get that 2.5. Well, if Joe is sane, 1 minus F, he'll play medium in the second round as well, and they'll both make 1.5. So these are the actual gains that Haley can possibly gain if she played soft in the first round. The next question says, for what values of F is it a Nash equilibrium in the repeated game for sane players to play soft in round 1? So now we're going to look at the whole game, round 1 and round 2, and we're going to compare playing soft in round 1 to playing medium in round 1. So we're going to set those two things equal. Well, we know that Haley's going to play medium in round 2 no matter what, whether she played soft in round 1 or medium in round 1. But we're only concerned with comparing the scenario where she played soft in round 1 and medium to the scenario where she played medium in round 1. So first let's look at soft in round 1 on the left side of this equation. Well, she'll make $2 right away because they both played soft in round 1. And then because she played soft in round 1, well, we have those gains of a reputation that we already solved for, which was the 2.5F plus 1.5 times 1 minus F. Because again, if Joe is crazy, well then he'll play soft in round 2 and she'll be playing medium and get that 2.5. If Joe is sane, he'll play medium in round 2. They'll both play medium and get that 1.5. So that's the left side of our equation. The right side of our equation, if Haley played medium in round 1, well this is kind of like cheating. So first she gets that 2.5 because Joe played soft in round 1. We know that Joe played soft in round 1, and now she's played medium in round 1. 1 minus F was if Joe was sane. Well, if Joe is sane, he'll play medium in round 2. So they'll both get that 1.5. But if Joe is crazy, which is F, well then he'll punish her for playing medium in round 1, and he'll play hard in round 2. So Haley will only get 0.5. So we're comparing, again, soft in round 1 to medium in round 1. Make sure you know how to match up your payoffs with f and 1 minus f. From here, we're just going to be solving for f. This is a lot of algebra, a lot of distributing, and we see that f, in this case, is equal to 0.25, or f is equal to 1/4.